Welcome to everyone. So, today we discuss the topic second order differential equation with non-constant coefficients. So, this is basically known as Cauchy-Euler equations, which is second order differential equation with non-constant coefficients, also known as Cauchy-Euler equation type. This is a particular form. So, a second order linear differential equation with non-constant coefficients is of the form we will take x square y double dash plus ax y dash plus by equal to 0 where x greater than 0. So basically for homogeneous equation we need another solving procedure where the coefficients are non-constant. So this equation is called Euler differential equations or Cauchy-Euler differential equations. So the solution procedure is that for solving we need to substitute x equal to e to the power t in this equation. So x equal to e to the power t, so dy dx y dash, which is dy dx, we can write it as dy by dt and by dx by dt. So dy by dt by e to the power t, because dx dt is e to the power t. So finally we will get e to the power minus t dy dt. So e to the power minus t dy, where d equal to, we can write d by dt. So this is just a notation, capital D equal to d by dt. Similarly, if we find y double dash, so by similar procedure, after calculation these steps, we will finally get e to the power minus 2t d2y by dt2 minus dy by dt. So we can write it as d square minus d, where d is d by dt. So if we put here, we will get d square minus d. So if we take common d, so d minus 1 will be remain. So e to the power minus t d into d minus 1 into y. So this is the procedure. So if we put these values y double dash and y dash values to the given equation, then finally we will get this equation. So see, e to the power 2t and e to the power minus 2t got deducted, e to the power t, e to the power minus t got deducted. So we will finally get d into d minus 1 plus ad plus b into y equal to 0. So finally we will get d square plus a minus 1 into d plus b into y equal to 0. So we can write this equation also as, if we put d, capital D equal to d by dt, so you can write it as d2y by dt2 plus a minus 1 dy dt plus by equal to 0. So finally the auxiliary equation you can write from this equation is m square plus a minus 1 into m plus b equal to 0. Okay, so, and if you get the auxiliary equation, you know the solving procedure as usual. So we will consider this example 4x square y double dash plus 4xy dash minus y equal to 12 by x. So what we substitute? We will first consider the homogeneous equation for finding the CF, complementary functions. So this is the homogeneous equation. So substitute here x equal to e to the power t. So after substituting, we will finally get, you can directly write that x square y double dash, we can write d into d minus 1 into y, x y dash we can write dy, and y will be remain as same. So finally we will get 4d into d minus 1 into y plus 4 dy minus y equal to 0. So if we calculate, take y common, so if we calculate the bracketing term, we will finally get 4d square minus 1 into y equal to 0. So the auxiliary equation we can write, in place of d we need to put m. So the auxiliary equation we can write 4m square minus 1 equal to 0. So m equal to plus minus half. Here d equal to d by dt. So Finally, the complementary function we can write yc is equal to c1 e to the power half t plus c2 e to the power minus half t, because half and minus half is the root, and see your d is d by dt. This equation is depends here, independent variable is t, so this equation is included t, not your x. So you need to write here yc equal to c1 e to the power half t plus c2 e to the power minus half t. Now if you put e to the power t equal to x as you have substitute, so c1 x to the power half plus c2 x to the power minus half. So finally you can write it as c1 root x plus c2 by root x. So this is your complementary function in terms of x you have got now. So now the second part is you need to find the pi. Okay, so pi you can use any method. So here we can use variation of parameter method. So for variation of parameter method, you know that variation of parameter method, the first term there will be no coefficient, so only y double dash term will be there for variation of parameter method, because variation of parameter equation form is y double dash plus a naught y dash plus a1 y equal to some fx. So there will be no coefficient with the term y double dash. So what you need to do, you need to divide the given equation by 4x square, so that you will get the first term as y double dash. So after divide 4x square the equation, you will get finally this equation. So you can write your pi as yp equal to u root x plus v into 1 by root x, because as you have got the your CF is this, so you need to write your pi u root x plus v 1 upon root x. So after writing this, you will get these two equations, u dash root x plus v dash 1 upon root x equal to 0, and u dash do the derivative of root x and v dash into do the derivative of 1 upon root x equal to the non-homogeneous part. So if you calculate the Wronskian, the left hand side, so you will finally get the Wronskian is minus 1 upon x. So u dash you can write minus 3 by x square x cube into 1 upon root x by the Wronskian value is minus 1 by x. So finally you will get u dash equal to 3x to the power minus 5 by 2. So u equal to finally you will get minus 2x to the power minus 3 by 2. Similarly, if you calculate the v dash, so v dash you will get 3 by x cube into root x by Wronskian. So after calculating this, after put the values Wronskian, which is minus 1 upon x, so you will finally get minus 3 x to the power minus 3 upon 2. So you will get finally v equal to 6 x to the power minus 1 upon 2. So after substitute the values of u and v, so in this pi equation you will get finally the pi is 4 by x. So the complete solution you can write it as yx equal to c1 root x plus c2 1 upon root x plus 4 upon x. So this is your required answer. So this is the way to solve Cauchy Euler equation or second order equation with non-constant coefficients, which is of the form Cauchy Euler equation. So by seeing the video lectures, you can easily solve from the assignment section number J, question number 1 to 4. These are all of the form of Cauchy Euler equation. So this part you can solve from your tutorial sheet, which is tutorial 6. So thanks to everyone. Wish you all the best.